I'm quite curious about this new Mavic Mini that is supposed to come towards the end of this month. We have all seen the pictures and we more or less know what we can expect, what the drone would look like. But I haven't actually seen footage of the drone yet. And scrolling through my Instagram feed, and then I accidentally stumbled over a video that actually claims to be shot in the DJI headquarters, showing the new Mavic Mini. So I thought I will show that to you guys. So this was the post that I found, and it's from something called News Drone. I haven't heard about them before. They seem a little bit sensation driven, but I also don't know the validity of this, but I think it's interesting. So let's just play the video so you can see what it is that I'm talking about. Once you have watched the video, then let me know what you think about the Mavic Mini in the comment below. So it's pretty interesting to see what this shows us. I think this is the Mavic Mini. It's gotta be the one. There's so many pictures floating around, and it seems DJI is either on purpose leaked this to make everybody talk about it, or are not very good at keeping secrets. So I think it's the one that we see, and you can see the hatch in the back of the drone that opens and will take a different kind of battery than what we know from the previous versions of the drone or other similar drones. Also, another thing that I noticed here is, let's stop it here. You can see that there seems to be no quick release system on the props. They seem to be bolted directly into the motor on each of the arms, and it more or less looks size-wise like a Mavic Air. Also, if we look here, we can see the motors, they are pretty flat, so it's a smaller size motor than the one that are on the Mavic Air, as far as I can see. KK Rider, I think it will be for children as a toy. Yeah, it looks a bit toyish, and I think also because the idea was to bring it below 250 grams. I think at least that was the target. Rumor says it would be around maybe 245 grams, and to be able to get that low in weight, of course they will have to sacrifice something. We can't have the same quality feel of the drone if we are down at that weight range. So there's the DJI logo, of course. Yes. Oh. Whew. But otherwise, apart from that, it looks pretty much like the pictures that has surfaced around here. So let's see if we can. There seems to be some sort of sensors down here. So I guess it has some sort of optical flow or something that will keep it, when it don't have a GPS, that will keep its position so you can fly it indoor, maybe. Let's see. It also seems to have at least obstacle avoidance system in the front. I don't know, let's see. So what do you think about it? What do you think about it? It will definitely not have OcuSync. I don't think it will have that. It will be a Wi-Fi drone, definitely, and it will probably also have a limited range. 550 euro. That is about what? That's about the same price range as the Spark used to be. Yes. So Kathmandu N, he disagrees. It's not a toy drone. It usually is not a toy drone, but it definitely will be maybe an entry-level drone. Yeah, I will probably buy one. I will buy one if I could get my hands on one. I must admit, after looking at the new Skydio 2, I was really eager to get my hands in one of those, but it seems there will be plenty of time to wait for that one. So so maybe I can buy this Mavic Mini in the meantime, and we can take it for a spin and see what it can actually do. I do see it as a nice alternative for like a small drone when I'm out riding my electric unicycle. It would be really nice to have that one in the backpack. I heard someone say it would probably have a flight time maybe around 15 minutes, sort of ish the same range as the Spark. So that would be a pretty nice thing if that was the case. Just to tell you what happened with this live stream, I did this short live stream yesterday where I showed a video that I found on Instagram. Unfortunately, I didn't check the music that was used in the video, so that ended up causing me a copyright claim, nothing seriously. And then when I tried to sort of edit out the music during the YouTube editor, or the music that was copyright claimed, for some reason YouTube decided to shift the audio track like 3 minutes to one side, making the video completely useless. So I'm sorry that I lost all the great live chat comments that came along in the video yesterday, but I thought I will just upload it again, so at least the ones that haven't seen the video before would have a chance to see it now. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.